Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to prepare curry masala. We can use this for chicken curry or mutton curry as well. And instead of using garam masala, it's better to use this curry masala. This gives a lot of taste and adds a lot of flavor to our curry. So in order to prepare that, we are going to fry the spices one by one. So I'm taking a frying pan and let's turn on the heat. Once the pan is hot, I'm taking 3 tablespoons of fennel seeds. On a low sim, we have to dry roast until it turns a little dark in color. So it started turning dark in color, so I'm taking it off from the heat. Next one is whole pepper, 2 tablespoons. So we will roast it for a few seconds. Next is coriander seeds, 1.5 teaspoon. So we will roast it until it turns little dark in color. And the next one is chana dalia, 1 tablespoon. And also 1 cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom and 5 cloves. So let it cool down and then we can powder it. So I got everything to a mixer jar. Now I'm going to grind it like a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. We can keep it in an airtight container and we can save it for 3 to 4 months.